All right, guys, we got a lot done yesterday. We're gonna go ahead and do the exhaust today. If you didn't see yesterday's, click on the top corner here. That'll be available. You can look at that and see what kind of progress we made. So right now we're gonna do the exhaust. I got the muffler, the little muffler painted. I have it drying right now. We're gonna pop these out. Okay. Okay, what we're gonna do now is take these little exhaust pieces here. I got the clamps and the little gaskets and stuff like that in here. So we're gonna go ahead and put those on the bottom of the exhaust here. Here we go. Help, baby. Well, I mean, it's going in. This is, yeah. I just have to connect this somehow. That somehow connect on there. The clamp. Same thing here. There. Depends if I can get the screw in there. That's the problem. What is the problem? Let's see. Yeah, this is pretty fun. Enjoying it. Pretty fun. And let's see, we got a little clamp set up here. We got one. Perfect. All right. Just need one of these. That's good. That went up in here. So what you have to do is go into this. Like this. Take that. And this. We gotta take this, like here. For some reason, I thought these were both in there. I don't remember. Ooh, oopsie. Big ears. Yeah, this isn't going to seal at all, which is funny. Because I have this in there, there's no These are 10s on here as well. Now, the other part. Okay, the exhaust is on. I don't like that fitting, how the actual muffler, I don't know what that would technically be. Here's the muffler, but whatever this piece is not fitting in here snug. So it's tight, but I pushed it all the way in, but you can see a big gap around here. That's my only concern. Pretty dirty. I need to put the that engine tin in. All right, guys, I forgot to put the engine tin in here. Jumping the gun. So engine tin's going in now. There we go. This one, cool. All right. Part done. Let's get into here. I'm losing this. I think I could put a. See, I don't have all the flat tip screws here. I have some that are hex head too, 10 millimeters. So what I'll do, I'll get the hex head in this particular spot. So use a flat tip here, and then this guy right here. That intake cover there. Now, throw this piece in. Would be a great idea. Oops. Okay, so is that all of them? I don't think these all went to that though. I think I'm missing. see what parts I need afterwards. If I have any other screws, 'cause I think I should have 2 here, as well as here.
They're the ones with white caps on.
Those are for the bumper. Okay. Put here. Yeah. Basically like that. There's one. Put that back. And get the other one. I see the bumper things, and I gotta put my pieces on here. Gotta fix that. You know, like these things here. I gotta put those tubes on. Still gotta like figure out what I'm gonna do here as far as connecting the hose in here. All right, guys, what do you think? Got an oil breather here. I got the little vent on the shroud. I got the one on the air cleaner. What I was thinking about doing is running the one from here, from the oil breather, all the way to the air cleaner, and then capping this one off. What do you guys, do you have any recommendations? I didn't want to put like an oil breather kit on here, but that's how I did the other one. I don't know. My one on the Beetle doesn't have the vent on the shroud, and it's got the, everything's blocked off. So we'll see, just leave some comments. I'm just curious to see what you recommend, and we may try that option. But gonna go ahead and finish bolting the bumper on. It's coming along. I gotta go ahead and put my tubes on here. Yeah, they're just coming along great. All right, so exhaust muffler's in, bumpers are in, tin's in, we got the apron in. I got one of the hoses in here. I'm still looking for the little, basically like bronze little riser. It's around here somewhere. For this side, to put the heater hose on. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a new, a gasket in for the sump, and then put some oil in it. And go ahead and check the electrical blend. I gotta try to, the issue I'm having is trying to find out what wire goes to the oil, for the oil sensor here, oil pressure sensor. So that's what we're trying to find next. But I think everything else is connected. So yeah, that's where we're at tonight. Got a lot done. Tomorrow we're gonna go ahead and finish putting this other hose on here, and the little hoses that go from the heater boxes to the tubes in the front. It's an insulated pipe. I'm gonna go ahead and put those in, and we may fire it up and drive it around a little bit. So that's where we're at, and stay tuned for the next progress step.